This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the passenger's front door and pull the bonnet release handle. Open the bonnet a little, lift the safety catch and fully open the bonnet. The battery is located under a cover at the front of the engine compartment. Release the clip and lift the cover from the battery. Slacken the nut and disconnect the negative lead clamp from the battery terminal using a twisting motion. Position the clamp away from the battery terminal to avoid accidental reconnection. Slacken the nut and disconnect the positive lead clamp in the same manner. Undo the two retaining nuts and remove the battery hold-down clamp. Lift the battery from place. Unhook the hold-down clamp bolts and remove the battery tray. Rotate the plastic cap at the rear of the headlight anti-clockwise and remove it. Pull the wiring plug from the rear of the bulb, then press the wire retaining clip forwards and to the side, then swing it down. Withdraw the bulb from the headlight. Taking care not to touch the bulb glass with bare skin, manoeuvre the new bulb into place. Note that due to the flat on the bulb flange, it will only fit in one position. Swing up the retaining clip and press it into place to secure it. Press the wiring plug onto the bulb terminal. Refit the dust cover to the rear of the headlight. Press the wire clips apart, then remove the plastic cover from the rear of the headlight. Press the top ends of the retaining clip forwards and outwards, then pivot it downwards. Pull the bulb from the reflector and disconnect the wiring plug. Taking care not to touch the bulb glass with bare skin, press the wiring plug onto the bulb terminal. Locate the bulb in the reflector, noting that due to the flat on the bulb flange, it will only fit in one position. Then swing the retaining clip upwards and hook it around the catch to secure it. Refit the dust cover to the rear of the headlight and secure it with the wire clips. Locate the battery tray on the support bracket, then hook the hold-down clamp bolts into the support bracket and the tray. Lower the battery into the tray with the terminals at the rear. Refit the hold-down clamp and tighten the retaining nuts securely. Locate the positive lead clamp over the battery terminal, pressing down and twisting at the same time. Tighten the clamp retaining nut securely. Reconnect the negative lead clamp, pressing down and twisting at the same time. Tighten the clamp retaining nut securely. Engage the rear of the cover with the battery tray, then lower it over the battery and ensure the retaining clip at the front engages. Close the bonnet firmly to ensure the locking catch engages.